Hello friends, today in this video I will discuss most common question which are in the minds of every English learner, that if we learn English language, whether we get job or not, or what benefit after English learning, how can I become fluent in English language, and whether English learning is easy or not, how to learn English language in short time. These are the questions in the mind of those who are the beginner in English learning, and they are asking these questions. Here are the answers that you can improve English language, you can learn English language if you are interested in. If you want to do something in life, and if you know the importance of English language, you know that word is not limited right now. You have to face the challenges of international world. Through social media, through internet, you are able to know about other countries of the world by sitting at your home. So, with the help of this language, you are able to know about the world, what is happening there in other countries. You are able to know about through social media. So I think that this language, learning English language, will give you access to know more about the world. And if you learn this language, there are much opportunities for you to get a better job, because most of the companies give priority to those people who are good in English language. And most of the interviews are conducted in English language. And if your English is good, there are chances that you will be selected for a job. And if you know the English language, then you can get high position during your work in any company or in any firm where you are working. And if you are not willing to get a job, already you are doing your business. And if you know the English language, this will help you. You will know about the international market. You will know about other countries. You can watch stuff, videos on social media to expand your business. You have the ability to discuss with international business communities if you know the English language. This language will help you to communicate with others. Those don't know your national language, because most of the business or cross-border business dealings happens in English language. So I think that international language is providing you a lot of opportunities to grow your talent. Moreover, if you know the English language, you will get respect in the society, within the country and also on international level. Because when international delegation, some kind of delegations come in your country, others are not able to communicate with them, you know the English language, you will be selected to discuss with them. And in this way you will get honor by other people. And even if you are not willing to do your business or your job, but you know the English language, you are able to watch videos of international levels on social media. You can browse a lot of things with the help of this language, because you know that when you are willing to know about other countries, this stuff is available in English language, mostly in national language also, but you don't know the national language of each and every country. And they use the common language to, if you want to know the history of other countries, if you want to know about world, then I think that this English language will help you a lot. So there are so many other benefits which I can't discuss in this video. But you can imagine that you can get a lot of benefits, because in my previous time when I used to learn English language, I was not aware that in future what kind of benefit I would get. But I was learning because I was interested to speak English language. Right now when social media came and I knew the importance of learning English language. And right now I am a little able to understand the all accents of all countries. I am a little able to understand, although I am facing some problems while understanding some accents, but mostly I am able to understand. So the short thing is that with the help of English language you can do anything. You can progress. You can get broader access. So I think that you will get inspiration from this video, and if you are interested to learn English language, you will try to learn and you will improve yourself in this language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.